Going for?
A double major in pure mathematics and biblical literature with a New Testament concentration.
Man, an engineer, and we also want you to be aware of, how do we as Christians approach it? How do we use it? And why is it important when we're studying the Bible? So Caleb, if you could help me just in your own words, like what would you say is, and you can give a long definition, like what you understand biblical redaction criticism to be.
I mean, obviously there's going to be different layers of understanding in terms of what's practical when you're reading something in Scripture. Is redaction is probably going to...
I'm just going to kind of argue this right off the bat. I think there's two camps of redaction criticism. I think there's the faithful camp.
Be comfortable